many respected teachers, parents, and friends. Nói Việt Nam David, I'm 11 years old.
Name is Susan Tam, 11 years old. My name is 10 years old.
My name is Titus, I'm 9 years old.
My name is Children, I'm 11 years old. And my name is Joseph, I'm 11 years old.
We study English at Khmer Intellectual Academy in level 3. Today, our group is proud to present our project title from DIY Plastic Bottle Fan. Let's start. This story shows how we can reuse plastic waste to make something useful. Our fan is eco-friendly because it does not use electricity, batteries, or a motor. Now let me pass the floor to Nighting to present you about problem. Let's start. You're welcome.
Problems. Nowadays, many plastic bottles are thrown away safe to use. This causes environmental pollution and harm nature. Some places electricity is not always available, so we wanted to reuse plastic bottles and make simple fans that works without electricity. Now let me pass the floor to Mai Niang to present you about purpose of the project. Let's start. You're welcome. The purpose of our project is to make a handmade fan from plastic bottles. We want to use plastic waste and help protect the environment. We also want to show that simple materials can be turned into useful tools. Now let me pass the floor to Rosa to present about material use. Let's start.
Materials used to make our handmade fan, we use plastic bottle, scissors, glue or tape, zip tie or string, or stick or a simple frame. The materials that we use is easy to find and safe to use. We did not use any batteries, motors, or electricity. Now let me pass the floor to Sister Sunita to present about how the fan works. Let's start.
Thank you, friend.
You're welcome.
First, we cut the plastic bottles into fan plates. Then we fix the plate onto the stick or fan using ties and glue. When the fan is moved by hand or when air passes through it, the plates move and create airflow. This helps cool the air naturally. Now let me pass the floor to Sister Simai to present you about important of the project. Let's start. You're welcome. This project is important because it helps reduce plastic waste. It teaches us to reuse material of throwing them away. It also shows that useful items can be made without electricity. This project encourages people to care for the environment. Now let me pass the floor to David to present about conclusion. Let's start.
Thank you, friend.
You're welcome.
In conclusion, from plastic bottle fan shows how waste can be creatively. Our fan is eco-friendly and easy to make. We learn about recycling, teamwork, and creativity from this project. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. Thank you.